Codependency is a behavioral condition that makes people pursue, form, or maintain one-sided relationships that are either both emotionally draining and destructive or abusive. This prevents the individual's ability to have mutual and healthy relationships. A codependent relationship can exist between romantic partners but also with family members and friends, and tends to lead to dysfunctional relationship patterns. Dr. Mark Mayfield, a licensed professional counselor, states that a codependency is due to the poor concept of self and poor boundaries, including an inability to have an opinion or say no. Some signs which show if you're in a codependent relationship is an obsession for a relationship on either side. One or both people have tendency to consciously or unconsciously control the other. An unhealthy, sometimes desperate need for approval and acknowledgement, having no good sense of intimacy or boundaries, poor communication, and lying and or not being honest with what you're feeling. The way to avoid being in a codependent relationship is to identify factors which make yourself codependent. Ask yourself, are you in a codependent relationship with someone? With whom? Why do you think you're in a codependent relationship with that person? Indicate the factors. Would you like to improve the relationship so that it stops becoming codependent? Would you rather put the relationship on hold or end it? It is important to be able to identify your needs and reflect on how this codependent relationship plays a part in your life. Ask yourself, what did you like about yourself prior to your relationship becoming codependent? What are your hobbies and interests? What are your goals? Do you have problems that are hindering your goals? If you work through your problem, do you think your codependent relationship will transform into a healthier one that's mutually good? Through identifying these factors, you can avoid or rebuild your codependent relationships. At our Care Patron website, we have a free template with questions we have mentioned in the video for practitioners to use with their patient. Go to the template section on our website. You can filter by category or type in the keywords to find a specific worksheet. Select template and then select your client. This will bring up the draft tab, which lets you edit the worksheet to your needs. Once you are satisfied, press publish to complete.